Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
All right, everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom font to your Shopify store in just a couple of minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your store a unique look that matches your brand, stands out from the crowd, and really catches your visitors' attention, all with just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First up, before you touch anything in Shopify, you'll want to have your font file ready to go. If you haven't downloaded any fonts yet, don't worry. There are plenty of free and paid font sites out there like Google Fonts or DaFont. Just find one that fits the vibe you want for your store, download it, and make sure you know where it's saved on your computer. Usually, you'll be working with files like TTF or WF, so just double-check that you've got the right format. Once your font file is ready, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Content, then Files. This is where Shopify lets you upload custom assets for your website. So simply click Upload File, select your font from wherever you saved it, and watch it appear in the list. This step might take a few moments, especially if your font file is a bit larger. If it feels slow, don't stress. That's totally normal. Now, the fun part, you're going to make sure Shopify can actually use this font. Go to Online Store, then right beside the Customize button, you'll see 3 little dots. Give those a click, then choose Edit Code. This can feel a bit intimidating if you haven't worked with code before, but I promise, you're not going to break anything as long as we follow these steps. Inside the code editor, look at the sidebar and click Add a new section. Name the new section Custom Font.Liquid. What this does is create a special spot for your font code, keeping your theme organized. Shopify works a lot like a big recipe. Each section adds flavor without messing up the whole dish. Now, we need the code that tells Shopify how to use your font. If you found a website online that provides custom font code, I've linked a useful one below, just copy the code. It's usually a few lines setting the font family and loading the font via CSS. Head back to Shopify and paste it into your new custom font, Liquid section. Next, you need to link your font to your main theme file so your site actually uses it. Find theme.liquid in the Code Explorer. Look for the part in the code that refers to the tag. This is the main wrapper for your entire site, so anything we tell it will show up everywhere. Now, go back to that website where you got the font code. There should be another code snippet just for the body section. Copy that and paste it right below the body tag in your theme.liquid. Take a breath and double-check that everything looks tidy, then click Save. Now, let's see the magic in action. Click Customize from your online store dashboard. Over in the left pane, you'll see an option called Custom Font. This is where you actually apply the font you just uploaded. So choose it from the drop-down and preview how it looks on your site. A quick note here, if you're on Shopify's free trial, you might notice you can't actually add the font unless you upgrade to a paid plan. It's a little frustrating, but it's Shopify's way of saving some features for their subscribers. If you want to see your font live, you'll need to switch to an upgraded plan. And that's all it takes. Adding a custom font to Shopify isn't nearly as scary as it seems. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you run into any trouble or have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.